welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be going dove hunting at some of our buddies' house, and we are going to be shooting doves today. So let's go ahead and jump in the truck and get started.
You great today.
What's up,
They're landing in them trees.
Yeah, it's done that to me 3 times already.
A little bit first.
Three birds. My bad. Birds up tree line. God dang it. Yeah.
I ain't got no
I got a
shell.
shell.
I see feathers.
Hey guys. You. I could have had this shot. I could have done it. I'm shooting or trying to shoot some doves. They're not coming out because it's getting hotter. It's about 8:48.
Is this one right here, man? It's on the wood line. All right, Ava, set up.
No,
Nope.
it's not.
No, yeah, huh?
It's Tweety birds.
There's 20 birds.
I like shooting Tweety birds.
No, you don't.
And we are waiting for some to come out. You can see that we've not did very good right now, but
Tweety bird knows that.
But
that
we-
damn hole was a good spot.
we have shot 11 birds. They're over here. And yeah, that's how we did so far. Doves. Look how pretty those things are. Here, give y'all the real inspiration. See its wings? And
What you think about it, Tucker?
Shooting good, shooting good.
It's looking good. Smells good.
today we killed, how many did we kill today? We killed 11, but some of our friends killed that too, and they didn't want to do all the cleaning, so I said, we'll take them. We love these things. And at the end of this video, we will be doing a clean. We'll be cleaning it, moving the bucket a little bit closer so I don't have to walk away from y'all guys. That right there, siesta. It's so good. I'm not the greatest at the shooting yet. It's because I'm the only thing I can really shoot right now is when they're not moving in the air. So, yeah. these things. I think we're gonna cook them with cream cheese and then wrapped in bacon. I meant jalapenos. Well, my dad will make his with jalapenos, put it with cream cheese inside of it, and then take the meat, put it inside, and wrap it with bacon, but we'll just have ours wrapped in bacon. Now, put your finger. So, see if I can see it for y'all guys. So, there's a bone right there. And so basically do this if you're a kid. Just do your half of your hand right there. And you'll stick your finger, it's a lub right there between the legs. Lub it up, but it's close enough. You jab your finger in it. And you just pull as hard as you possibly can. And you pop the head off. Pop. And then you just pull all the other feathers off. Sticking to me. This is a smaller bird. This is a baby. It's gonna be small, so small. We'll have to measure the brush together. And comment down below if you ever had dove. Just a question to ask. There it is. And comment down below if you know how to also, if they're a boy or girl, how to tell. Now I'm just pulling off all the wings and feathers. You can see the bullet holes. Bullet hole, bullet hole, bullet hole. That might be butthole. Oh, there's another bullet hole. What are you doing, Stella? Still. What are you doing? What are you doing? You snapped out a feather. So that's the baby breast. That's a gum.